Welcome to my vlog.
Hi mga langga, sa mga bago po sa channel ko. Ako po si Mami Rain, a solo parent to 3 boys whose dad grew a pair of wings way back 2019. And this is my solo parenting journey.
Hi!
Hey everyone! So medyo late upload tayo today. Ito yung mga ganap ng December where we had a Christmas party with some of my closest friends who in a way are also my workmates.
Give thanks with a grateful heart.
So before the Christmas party, we had our monthly fellowship, something that we have been doing for a while now. Well, the only difference is the kids are with us today kasi usually kami lang naman. But since magki-Christmas party kami right after the fellowship, we brought the kids along. Tapos syempre, after the fellowship, punta na tayo sa most exciting part dahil alam naman natin, ito talaga yung pinunta ng mga bagets dito, ang lafang. But unfortunately, Aiki was busy that day. May mga ganap sila sa school kaya hindi siya nakasama. Walang usapan, susunod siya pero hindi pa rin siya nakasunod. Parang ang tagal kasi nilang natapos, ganon. But don't worry, nag-shadow naman ako for him. Nahiya yarn. That's Rizel, anak ng friend ko. Alam ko lagi siya napapanood sa mga mini vlogs ko at sa mga reels. Actually, nagiging one of the boys na yan kakasama sa mga boys ko. They practically grew up together. And here are some throwback photos ng mga bubuwit pa lang sila. Wala lang, na-share ko lang. Anyway, balik tayo dun sa party. Eto pa yung ibang mga bagets. Actually, kulang pa yan sila. Yung iba kasi nagbibinata na, ayaw nang makisali.
Bruno Mars!
It's either that, o talagang busy lang talaga sila sa mga buhay-buhay nila, just like Aiki. Anyway, bumaba kami para bumili ng pang-exchanging gift ni Kael sa convenience store sa baba. Nung una kasi parang ayaw niyang sumali, tapos pinilit ko lang, kaya ayan. At syempre, hindi naman kompleto ang Christmas party kung walang mga palaro.
Dessert!
Ice cream! Cake! Ilang! Sunflower!
Tulips.
Flower!
Lily.
Lily of the Valley.
Flower! Five!
Daisy. Rose. Lily of the Valley.
Five!
Go.
Lavender!
Hazel.
One! Three! Flower! Chrysanthemum! Jasmine! Sige na! Five! Four! Three! Two! One!
Montero.
Brand! Mercedes!
Mazda.
Ay, sa'yo!
Volvo. Pizza.
Five! Chevrolet!
Mitsubishi.
Wait lang.
Hala, manong ko.
Five! Four! Three! Kia!
Tata.
Five! Ha?
Tata na. Tata. Ryan daw sa
BMW. Five, four, delay. Three. Ford. Color. Ming. Go.
Rose.
Oh.
Rose na color?
O na. Sige. Ha?
Egg and grow.
Ang sarap. Okay.
Brown. Yellow.
Magenta.
Green.
Royal blue.
Dandelion. Dark green. Maroon. Gold rose. Patay ako.
Five. Four. Three. Purple. Purple.
Lavender.
Lavender.
Lavender. Wala pa.
Wala lavender?
Wala pa.
Okay, go.
Scarlet.
Sky blue. Pink rose. Ay, gold rose. Blue green. Ash brown. Light blue.
Crimson.
Navy blue.
Go.
Lambda black.
Yellow green. Ay.
Patay. Hoy.
Neon green. Dark blue. White.
Nanay white. Nanay white.
White mo.
Wala pa. Yan.
Black.
What?
Light green. Light
Green.
baby blue.
Cream white.
Light green. Wala ako.
Finally.
Ay, natin nga.
O nasikay.
Okay, hyphen. I, BTS, Blackpink, 17, New Jeans, Tomorrow by Together, Kuan. 5, 15, 4, K-pop, 5, 3, 2, Twice.
I'll go.
5, 4, 3,
3.
5, 74,
Mana?
3, 2, 1.
Di go na. Bato, pick. Kasi ka na. Nanong nagkurampos naman na. Sayaw up yan.
At syempre, matapos ang exchanging gift ng mga bagets, kami naman
Christmas tree. Ako nagpunta mo yung Tagalog mo?
Oh.
Merry Christmas. Superwoman. Vlogger.
Nag-Sharon.
These people had played a huge part in my 2023 and even the years before that, and I am looking forward to a blessed 2024 with them.